our foldable stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 60 inches, a depth of 24 inches, and a height of 31 inches tall. Floor to the top of the table, we have 30 inches in height. And the distance from the left and right leg, we have 53 inches. Left and right legs can be folded and retracted. So when placing the table on its side, the left side bracket can be folded along with the right side, folding into its position. With the legs folded, table can be stored away. Coming to the far left corner is the NSF certification sticker, and the stainless steel finish is protected by a film that can be peeled off. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.